Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper's Cookie Consent widget to your Squarespace website. A Cookie Consent widget helps you inform visitors about cookie usage and manage consent preferences in a clear and user-friendly way. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Cookie Consent in the widget library and open it. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Content tab, the first section is Strategy. In Strategy, you'll find two options, one to just inform users and another to ask users for consent in a GDPR-compliant way. If the Ask Users option is selected, the Preference Center and Revisit icon will be available. In the Content section, you can edit the main message. You can also change or disable the cookie icon. There is also a Privacy Policy option, where you can choose to include or exclude the privacy policy link. In the Button Text section, you can change the button text and also adjust the vertical and horizontal padding. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Layout section, you can decide the position of the widget. You can also adjust the padding and content width. In the Color section, you can change the background color, text color, and confirm button color and text. In the Typography section, you can change the font size. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your Squarespace site editor. Inside the editor, add a code block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.